Are you feeling overwhelmed and underprepared for your upcoming HSBC online immersive assessment and job simulation assessment? You are not alone. Many candidates struggle to know what to expect and how to best prepare for the assessment process. But we're here to help. Our tutorial product offers you everything you need to feel confident and well prepared for your OIA JSA test. With our tutorial product, you'll receive the exact questions that will occur on your assessment, along with reference answers from top banking tutors. You'll be able to practice the same questions that you'll encounter on your assessment, so you can feel confident and well prepared when it comes time for your own online assessment. And remember, our tutorial product is updated for the 2023 and 2024 recruitment year, so you can be sure you are getting the most up-to-date information. By clicking the buying options, you can access our tutorial product.